In this video, I'm going to show you how to attract clients to your business and fill your pipeline with leads so you don't have to chase after clients. I'm Peter Locke from VantageCoach Business Accelerator, and this channel is all about helping existing business owners transform an ordinary business into a modern, scalable, and highly profitable business so you have more time and money to lead the life that you want. Most business owners advertise and market to get the next sale. They go straight from the post or the advert on one end to buy my product or service on the other with nothing in between. What they fail to realize is that they're only marketing to about 1% of the potential prospects in the market that we call now buyers, and are consistently losing out on the 99% of potential buyers we call future buyers. And because of that, they struggle to fill a consistent pipeline of leads. Now buyers are buyers who are ready to buy your product or service right now. Future buyers are in the process of gathering information in order to help them make the right decision before they're ready to buy. When you're marketing to the 1%, you're likely to be doing what we call tactical marketing. You're putting messages out there on social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, and elsewhere to attract the now buyer. With tactical marketing, you'll always be hoping to attract the next buyer, and you'll never know where they'll come from. You're in a daily rat race, hunting and hoping for new clients. But hope is not good enough. You need a repeatable, reliable system that draws prospects in continuously and sustainably. When a future buyer lands on your website, they're most likely not going to buy from you right now. But if you don't have a means of capturing their contact details like name and email address, you're most likely going to lose them as a future client. The way to solve this problem is by creating what we call a lead magnet. A lead magnet is nothing more than a highly compelling information offer crafted to attract interested prospects. This can take many forms. For example, a consumer guide, a checklist, a cheat sheet, perhaps a short video training series, or any form of valuable information of interest to your prospects that helps them to solve the problem or the issue that they're currently dealing with and that they're researching. Offering this to your prospects as a low-risk next step way to engage with you when they don't know you yet is a great way to educate them about how to solve their problem. By downloading or requesting that information offer, the prospect is putting up their hand to say, "Hey guys, I'm interested," thereby transforming themselves from a prospect into a warm lead, and you now have the contact details. The lead magnet is often on an online landing page where prospects may download the information of interest in exchange for their name and email address. Everyone who requests or downloads the lead magnet goes into a database from which you follow up with messaging aimed at converting them from a lead into a paying client. This is usually automated via an email drip campaign. Watch out for my video on how to set up a drip campaign if you're not sure about how to do that. Having a compelling and irresistible information offer is the first step of putting people into your sales funnel and build a consistent flow of future leads for you. Once you have the system set up, you can use a variety of media channels to let your prospects know about your lead generation magnet. This could be via email, it could be social media, pay-per-click advertising, in print media, on your business card, or anywhere and everywhere your prospect hangs out or does research. When you put a system like this in place, you'll have a repeatable, reliable marketing system to attract warm leads to you 24/7, 365. It's quite simple to do once you know who your ideal client is and what information they're looking for. If you've learned something of value in this video, please push the like button below. Feel free to share and go ahead and subscribe to my channel.